AI has quietly become a part of our daily lives. And as someone who cares about productivity and work efficiency, I do use AI in my daily workflow. It didn't take 100% of my time-consuming tasks, but it did help me get rid of things that were taking a lot of my time. From helping me brainstorm to planning my days and many other things where I use AI, like I have hired an assistant for myself. So in this video, I'll share with you 5 ways I use AI that helps me be more productive and get more things done. Thanks to Routine AI for sponsoring this video. Planning my week. If I count the amount of things I do every day, I'll surely miss something no matter how hard I try. I have 20 different things I do every single day, and only 4 or 5 of them are the ones that I can remember. But the smaller tasks that are as important as the major ones are something hard to remember. Giving orders for the new products, doing that one change in the new product design that I forgot yesterday, or shipping the new orders. So instead of blocking my calendar one by one, I just open the Routine AI app and bombard the chat section with all the things I have to do today. It hardly takes 2 minutes and my whole day is planned with reminders. And the best part is that this app integrates with my Google Calendar, so even if someone assigns a meeting, it will be reflected in the app as well. Documenting my life. If you think as a solopreneur, I can work in an unorganized way and still build the company professionally, then you are really wrong. I always track my tasks with the dates, the new product launch, marketing campaign, and even tracking the company expenses. For example, if I am launching a new product, I keep track of everything like the date of launch, post to be made before the launch, budget spent on the manufacturing, and even the discounts that I give to you guys. Every single thing is documented. And this app genuinely solves a lot of my problems. And if you want to use the app, you can find the link in the description, and you can use code AI launch to get additional 20% discount on upgrading your plan. To-do list. Now that I have my day planned, I do have some tasks that takes more than one day to finish. And to keep track of all these big tasks, I create a to-do list. With the mobile app, I can easily create a to-do list of everything I have to do. I mostly plan my day one night before, so every night I open my phone, write down my tasks for tomorrow so that I don't have to invest more time. And this tool is not just about one chat feature. If I have to create a to-do list, new meeting, any notes, or even journal something, I can just talk it out to the AI agent and it will do most of my tasks for me with high accuracy. And let's be honest, most of the AI tools are really bad. Whenever I try to ask them to do something particular, they give me really bad results, and it takes more time for me to make the AI understand than the time it actually takes for me to do the task manually. Notes and scripts. Every single day, I create new scripts or make new notes for different type of things, such as video inspirations, new things I learned that will help me in my founder's journey, or even saving general information that I don't want to forget. And to do so, I use the notes feature to track every single thing. I write my YouTube scripts here, iterate everything before I finally start shooting, and once I am done writing my scripts, I generally feed it to the AI and ask it to refine the script for me and remove any grammatical mistakes if there is. I understand that AI can create video scripts for me, but in the end, it won't be personal to me, and I don't want to make some general AI scripted videos for you guys. Collaboration. I recently started dividing my tasks to different people, and collaboration is important when it comes to working with multiple people. To keep that easy and less time consuming, the collaboration feature is something I use on a daily basis. Sharing a video script, confirming the next marketing campaign details, and even the final measurements of the new product design. And I can do all of that without opening my WhatsApp or sharing through email. So I simply add them to Workspace, and it genuinely helped me get rid of many time-consuming tasks that I did and never gained anything out of it. And these small things add up and take a huge part of my day that I can utilize to do better things. Again, if you want to use the app, you can find the link in the description. And thanks again to Routine AI for sponsoring this video. That is it for today's video. I hope you really enjoyed it and learned something new. And make sure you like the video. If you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you until next time.